Hey math friends! Welcome back to your channel, MSKTV. Let us start another exciting math question. Can you solve this expression correctly? 28 divided by 7 divided by 2 divided by 6. Choose the answer that fits. Is it 2, 1/3, or 12? Take a moment to think, then answer. You have 3 seconds. Great! Some learners think the answer is 12 because they divide 28 by 7 and get 4. Then they divide 2 by 6 and get 1/3. Finally, they divide 4 by 1/3 and obtain 12. However, this method is not correct. Division must be done step by step from left to right, so avoid this mistake. In math, we must follow the correct order of operations, using the PEMDAS rule we explained earlier in Series 35. When we have only division, as in this case, we calculate from left to right. So let us solve this expression step by step. First, divide 28 by 7. That equals 4. Next, divide 4 by 2. That equals 2. Finally, divide 2 by 6. That equals 1/3. So the correct answer to our question, 28 divided by 7, divided by 2, divided by 6, is 1/3. Dear learners, keep practicing and get ready for more fun with MSKTV Learning. Thank you for subscribing and for sharing, so more learners can benefit from these lessons.